Are you tired of influencer ghosting you before Black Friday? Just sick of watching 70% of your carts disappear? Exhausted from where is my order emails? Introducing BFCM Recovery Collection. 7 products, absurdly specific names, real pain points of e-commerce business. WISMO Blackout Mask, Influencer Ghosting Recovery Shampoo. BFCM Fear Plugs, Customer Acquisition Cost Shaving Kit. I used to refresh my dashboard like 500 times a day. Now, still 500 times, but at least my hands smell nice. Normally, like $200, but free for 50 first e-commerce leaders. Look, I have a shirt and a nice watch. You can trust me. I'm thinking like maybe I should keep them to myself. Look, I know you want one. I know you want one. Hit the button, and I'll send you one.
Hurry up! Call now! Just kidding. Just hit the button.